Hey everybody, Kelly here for Game Changers. Well, the second half of the Major League Baseball season is underway today. Should have started last night with the Red Sox and Yankees, but COVID is rearing its ugly head again, so a ton of players testing positive there. It's going to be very, very interesting as we're getting into the second half of this season to see what effect that has. In fact, early today, there is 9 unconfirmed pitchers for games this afternoon and this evening. So we're going to handicap as best we can. I got a game I absolutely love tonight, but I want to draw your attention to the second half Major League Baseball packages we've got. Joe D'Amico, New York Pelly, and myself, we've all got full second half MLB season packages up. They are great value, great deal, and fantastic results. If you're serious about winning money in betting sports, trust the insight, the experience that we have, and the research that our team does. So given that little sales promo, let's get into tonight's game. We got the LA Dodgers going into Colorado to play the Rockies. The Dodgers are second in the NL West, 56-35. The Rockies are in fourth spot. They've got a 40-51 record, although most of those wins have come at home. High percentage of home wins, but the pitching matchup tonight is just a non-questionable handicapping no-brainer. Julio Urias, 11-3 record, 3.64 ERA, pitching for the Dodgers tonight, and you've got Antonio Senzatella, 3-8 with a 4.58 ERA, going for the Rockies. The line is -200 on the game. You know that we hate laying big juice. This is a game with the power of the offense of the LA Dodgers versus the lack of offense that we've been seeing from the Rockies this year. No brainer, absolutely play the -1.5, it's -130. Take that as your free pick today for Game Changers. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.